Unit 4, Lesson 7 test. Number 1. What is a machine? A. A device that absorbs excess work. B. A device that changes the way work is done. C. A device that decreases the amount of work done. Number 2. A diagram below shows a lever. Which label points to the fulcrum? A. Label A. B. Label B. C. Label C. Number 3. A student uses a simple machine to help lift a load. When 4 newtons of input force is applied to the machine, it is able to lift 160 newtons. What is the mechanical advantage of the machine? A. 4, B. 40, C. 160. Number 4. A fixed pulley has a mechanical advantage of 1. Why are fixed pulleys useful machines? A. The output force is greater than the input force. B. They make the load lighter. C. They change the direction of the force. 5. A worker moves a heavy load onto a house with the aid of an inclined plane. If the plane has a length of 6.2 meters and a height of 1.55 meters, what is its ideal mechanical advantage? A. 3.65. B. 4. C. 6.22. Number 6. The diagram below shows a type of lever with several features labeled. How would you determine the ideal mechanical advantage of the lever? A. Divide 2.3 by 1.5 meters. B. Multiply 2.3 meters by 1.5 meters. C. Subtract 1.5 meters from 2.3 meters. Number 7. Which inclined plane has the greatest mechanical advantage? Please remember, we are pushing the cart up the inclined plane. A. B. C. Their mechanical advantage is the same. Number 8. A worker moves a heavy load into a house with the aid of an inclined plane. If the plane has a length of 6.2 meters and an ideal mechanical advantage of 3.1, what is the height of the inclined plane? A. 1.7 meters. B. 2 meters. C. 9.3 meters. Number 9. What is the difference between input force and the output force? A. Input force is the force exerted on a machine, and output force is the force a machine exerts on an object. B. Input force is a measure of the machine's efficiency, and output force is a measure of the machine's mechanical advantage of the machine. C. Input force is a measure of the mechanical advantage of the machine, and output force is a measure of the machine's efficiency. Number 10. A friend told you about a new pulley she used to lift some objects. She said, the best part of it makes me do less work. What would you say to your friend to help correct the statement? A. Nothing. The statement is already correct. B. Machines don't make you do less work, they make you do more work. C. Machines do not make you do less work, but they can change the way the work is done. 11. Movers move a piano up a ramp and into a building. If the ramp has a mechanical advantage of 5, which of the following would be true about the length of the ramp and the height of its incline? Hint, step 1, think about how mechanical advantage is calculated. Step 2, calculate the mechanical advantage of each of the answer choices. Step 3, compare the mechanical advantage of each answer choice to the required mechanical advantage of 5. A, the ramp is 15 meters long and the incline is 3 meters high. B, the ramp is 12 meters long and the incline is 2 meters high. C, the ramp is 18 meters long and the incline is 6 meters high. Number 12. A ramp is an example of which type of simple machine? A, wheel and axle. B, an inclined plane. C, block and tackle pulley. Number 13. What force will be required to lift a 300 Newton weight using the pulley system shown? A, 300 newtons. B, 100 newtons. C, 200 newtons. Number 14. What would be required to lift a 100 Newton weight using the pulley system shown? A, 25 newtons. B, 50 newtons. C, 100 newtons. Number 15. What is the mechanical advantage of this pulley system? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3.